Alright, YouTube. Alright, gang, we finna get ready to put the motor in today. Guys, a little bit. That's there sitting there. We're gonna take this hose, lift it up.
You got half a day?
And just wanna show y'all quick that the motor right there. I got the March system, so I'll cut y'all back on when we get the motor in the air. Better get ready. Carry it to the operation room. What do you think, Dave?
That's right.
Let's see.
You gotta give it a heart transplant.
I got it. Nah, she already got the heart transplant. Let's see.
Let the brain in.
Yes.
This is the guy who built my closet.
Okay, cool. Hell yeah. He did that.
Yeah.
My daughter had me walking all through that closet. See that board?
Hey, did you want some lunch?
I just ate Chick-fil-A. Thank you.
Better get ready to put it in, boy. Get ready to put it in. What do you think? We in the just see. You know what? I don't know if we're gonna get down. We're gonna have a long chain. See where it's at right now? It's gonna have to go down.
That's pretty. Let's hook it and see what happens. Yeah, put it in where the front.
Turn it off now.
Now you can take this.
Yeah, that might go. Yeah, so they've been sitting on that thing a long time. Yes, sir. They've been sitting on that thing a long time, so we're gonna bolt it. All right, brother, we'll turn it off now. I'm finna, I'll film the rest of it. All right, YouTube, and all my fans out there. Today was a great day, so we got the motor in on this 68 Cadillac Coupe Deville. So, but the March system, I got it in, but we missing the power steering pump, so we're going to figure that out. But other than that, we're going to be working on that probably tomorrow. But let me show y'all what's going on. There it is. Got that 500 in, transmission in, bolted up. I got to go pick up my drive shaft on Monday. Then I'm gonna bolt it up and put it on. So I'm gonna do all that. I'm gonna lift it up tomorrow and do some cleaning and touch up painting on the chassis. So just want to show y'all that it's in there. Now I gotta start hooking it all back up so we can fire it up. And when I fire it up, I'm gonna let y'all hear it. But there it is. Boy, I'm so super excited. I'm gonna put the wheels on it too when they get in next week. There it is, man. I'm up out of here. Another great day with my baby.